Are you thinking like a worker? This mindset keeps you poor. Let's be honest. Are you thinking like a worker or like a wealth builder? Because the way you think about money, time, and opportunity could be the exact reason you're stuck in the 9 to 5 cycle. Today, we're breaking down the worker mindset versus millionaire mindset, how employee thinking keeps people trapped, and how to shift your brain into wealth mode. If you want financial freedom, passive income, and a wealth mindset, this video will change everything. What does thinking like a worker really mean? Thinking like a worker doesn't mean you're lazy or unintelligent. It means your brain is programmed to trade time for money. A worker mindset says, how many hours can I work? When is payday? I need a raise. This mindset focuses on income, not wealth. Searchable phrases people type every day. How to get a raise at work. How to make more money per hour. How to work overtime for extra cash. That's worker thinking. But the wealth mindset thinks different. A wealth builder thinks differently. They ask, how can money make money? How can I build passive income? How can I own assets instead of just earning wages? This is the millionaire mindset, the entrepreneur mindset, and the financial freedom mindset. Workers earn. Owners multiply. Why worker thinking? Keeps you trapped. When you think like a worker, your income is limited by hours in a day, your boss's approval, your job position. But wealth thinking breaks time limits. Assets work 24/7, people search. How to escape the 9 to 5. How to build wealth while working. How to make money without a job. The truth is simple. Workers get paid once. Owners get paid forever. Here's how to shift from worker thinking to wealth thinking. Here's how to upgrade your mindset. 1. Learn financial education, study investing, business, real estate, and money psychology. 2. Build asset stocks, businesses, real estate, digital products, anything that pays you repeatedly. 3. Focus on leverage use systems, automation, and other people's time to scale income. 4. Think in ownership. Don't just work for companies, own pieces of companies. 5. Reprogram your subconscious. Daily affirmations, success content, and visualization change how you think about money. But don't get me wrong, there is nothing wrong with working, but there is something dangerous about only thinking like a worker. You were not born just to clock in, clock out, and repeat. You were born to build, own, and create freedom. Your job is a tool. Your mindset is the weapon. So ask yourself today, am I thinking like a worker? Or am I thinking like a wealth creator? Because the moment your thinking changes, your income, lifestyle, and destiny will follow. Give a like this video if this opened your eyes and subscribe for more hidden wealth tips. And leave me a comment and like always, see you next time.